Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. We're showcasing the top 10 hand tools for woodworking you'll want to buy this year. Stay tuned as we guide you through each product's features and benefits. Let's get started. GREATNECK C4 Bench Jack Plane. The GREATNECK C4 Bench Jack Plane is an essential woodworking tool, perfect for smoothing and reducing rough wood surfaces. It features a 2-inch wide, hardened, and tempered high-speed steel cutter that ensures precision and durability. The cast iron body is accurately machined and polished for strength, while the dual plastic ergonomic handles provide excellent control. The adjustable blade can be set laterally and for depth of cut, offering versatility for various tasks. This high-quality plane is ideal for any woodworking project, from building furniture to constructing larger structures. GREATNECK's commitment to quality makes this tool a reliable choice for both professional and DIY woodworkers. SWANSON SVC133 Savage Combination Square. The SWANSON SVC133 Savage Combination Square is a versatile and precise tool, ideal for carpenters and DIY enthusiasts. Its 12-inch stainless steel blade features chemically etched graduations accurate to within 0.001 inches. The head, made from aerospace aluminum, includes a block file for improved accuracy and durability. A brass tightening bolt and a scribe all add to its functionality. This combination square is perfect for gauging depth, scribing lines, mitering, and drawing notches. With marks in imperial and metric units, it caters to diverse measurement needs. The heavy-duty die-cast zinc head ensures durability, making the SWANSON SVC133 a must-have tool for any toolbox. Johnson Level and Tool B75 T-BEVEL. The Johnson Level and Tool B75 T-BEVEL is a reliable carpenter's bevel designed for precise angle duplication and transfer. It features a durable, rust-resistant stainless steel blade that adjusts smoothly and withstands rigorous use. The high-impact Structo cast handle with an ergonomic grip ensures comfort and ease of handling. A sturdy locking nut secures the blade, maintaining accuracy when switching angles. This 8-inch T-BEVEL can hold and transfer any angle from 0 to 360 degrees, making it ideal for various applications, including cabinet making, furniture building, and tile laying. Made in the USA, this T-BEVEL is built for durability and long-term use, covered by a 1-year limited warranty. SUIZAN Japanese D003 Hand Saw. The SUIZAN Japanese D003 hand saw is a versatile tool ideal for crosscuts, rip cuts, and angle cuts in woodworking. This pull saw, unlike traditional push saws, cuts on the pull stroke, offering a lighter, more precise, and efficient cutting experience. Made with high-quality Japanese steel, its 7-inch blade is razor-sharp, ensuring clean, accurate cuts. Crafted by master craftsmen in Japan, it combines tradition with advanced technology. The saw features a blade thickness of 0.3 millimeters, 17 teeth per inch, and an overall length of 16.1 inches. Whether you are a novice or an experienced woodworker, this tool enhances your woodworking projects by providing a unique and effective cutting experience. IRWIN Tools PROTOUCH Coping Saw. The IRWIN Tools PROTOUCH Coping Saw is designed for precision and durability, featuring a high-speed steel blade that effortlessly cuts through various materials. Its 6.5-inch blade and 5.5-inch frame depth offer excellent reach and maneuverability. The saw's flat bar frame and Durasteel pins ensure long-lasting performance, while the ergonomic PROTOUCH handle provides comfort during prolonged use. With a 17-point tooth count, it excels in making fine, intricate cuts, making it an essential tool for detailed woodworking and trim work. This coping saw combines robust construction with user-friendly design, making it perfect for both professional and DIY enthusiasts seeking accuracy and ease of use. NAREX 811216 Mortise Chisel. The NAREX 811216 Mortise Chisel is a professional-grade woodworking tool crafted in the Czech Republic. Its 16 mm blade is made from fine-grained, tempered chrome-manganese steel, hardened to RC59, ensuring durability and sharpness. The blade, bevel ground at 25 degrees, is designed for efficient mortising, tapering from 3/8 inch at the tip to 1/2 inch at the shoulder for optimal sidewall clearance. The handle, made from stained European beechwood, is 6 1/8 inches long and features an oval cross-section for a firm grip, reinforced with 2 steel ferrules to withstand heavy mallet blows. This chisel is perfect for cabinet makers and woodworkers seeking precision and reliability. Mr. Pen Wheel Marking Gauge. The Mr. Pen Wheel Marking Gauge is an indispensable tool for precise woodworking. It includes a main unit and 2 extra blades, designed to help you lay out lines parallel to flat wood surfaces with maximum accuracy. Featuring laser engraved graduations in both metric and imperial up to 6 inches, it ensures precise measurements. The 1.5-inch diameter solid brass face glides smoothly against the workpiece edge for a line marking. The cutter head retracts into a countersink for protection when not in use. With easy and precise adjustments, thanks to the quick-turn knurled adjustment knob and tail, this marking gauge is efficient and user-friendly. Perfect for professionals and hobbyists alike. It guarantees clean, accurate cuts for various woodworking projects. Spear and Jackson 9500 R-back saw. The Spear and Jackson 9500 R-back saw is a versatile tool ideal for general woodworking tasks, featuring universal teeth for both along and across grain cuts. The 22-inch blade with 10 points per inch is made from high-carbon steel, ensuring durability and sharpness. Precision cross-ground teeth can be resharpened for extended use. Its skew-back design offers improved balance and reduced friction, making it easier to handle. The saw is suitable for cutting timber, chipboard, plywood, and other wood-based materials. The comfortable wooden handle is securely fixed by rivets, ensuring a firm grip during use. This medium finish-back saw combines traditional craftsmanship with modern efficiency, making it a valuable addition to any woodworking toolkit. WORKPRO W064031AU Tri-Square. The WORKPRO W064031AU Tri-Square is an essential tool for professional carpenters, designed for marking and measuring right angles in woodworking. It features an 8-inch stainless steel blade that is durable and rust-proof, paired with an aluminum alloy handle for comfort and durability. The black, laser-etched scale offers easy-to-read measurements in increments of 1/8 inch and 1/16 inch. 2 marking points at 1 cm and 19 cm allow for convenient length and diameter marking. The Tri-Square also includes a 45-degree measuring angle at the handle. Weighing only 9.9 ounces, it is portable and easy to handle, making precise measurements and markings a breeze. Bighorn 19061 Marking Knife. The Bighorn 19061 marking knife is a precision tool designed for accurate marking, striking, and scribing in woodworking. The 7.25-inch knife features a 1.5-inch stainless steel blade that is double beveled, suitable for both right-handed and left-handed users. The blade is flat on one side and beveled on the other, allowing for precise line drawing tight to a rule or square. The handle, made from wood, is 5.75 inches long and ergonomically designed to fit comfortably like a pencil, preventing rolling on the bench. This marking knife ensures exact lines for starting chisels or saw blades, making it an essential tool for fine, hand-cut joinery. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helps you find the perfect hand tools for your woodworking needs. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and reviews. See you next time.